Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to convert numbers in base 10 into base 5 using place value method. Okay, so let's get started. So let's convert 482 into base 5 into base 5. Okay, so I'm going to convert 182 into base 5. Okay, so what are we going to do? Okay, let's write the place value of numbers in base 5. Okay, I'm going to write 5 to check if I'm going to check if to determine which place values are we going to use. So we have 1, 5s, 25s, 125s, then 625. Okay, so as you can see, these are the place values we have come up with for the numbers, for the first 5 numbers in base. For the first 5 place values of numbers in base 5. So, as you can see, 1 is smaller than 482, and 5 is smaller, 25 is smaller, 125 is smaller, but 600 is bigger than 482. Therefore, 625 cannot be used. 625 cannot be used because it's bigger than 482. So, I'm going to remove it. Okay? Remove everything so that I leave space there. Okay, so we are going to have the place value here, which is 125, next 25, next 5, then we have 1s. Okay, all right, so these are the place values we have. So let's start dividing. So when we start dividing this number, we'll start by dividing it by a bigger place value. So let me say I have 482. So I'm going to divide it with this because it's a bigger number. So I'll write 125 here. So how many times can 125 go into 482? I presume 3 times. 3, that is 375. Okay, minus, then 4 V8 give me 7, then there is 7, then that will be 0 because we cancel, we borrowed 1 there. Okay, then we remain with 107. Okay, so it will go 3 times. Okay, so the remainder is 107. So can 25 go in 107? Let's check. We say 107 divided by 25. Then we say how many times can it go? We are saying 4 times. We are saying 100. Then we say minus, it is going to be 7. So we are saying 25 can go into 107 4 times. Okay. Okay. Remainder 7. Okay. Can 5 go into 7? We are saying yes. Then we will say 7 divided by 5. How many times 5 can go into 7? We are saying it can go 1 time. By that, it will give us 5 minus. Then we are saying 2, so it can go 1 time, remainder 2. Okay, then we say can 1 go into 2? This one, can 1 go into 2? We are saying yes, so it can go 2 times. 2 times this one. It will give us 2, so we subtract, it will give us 0. Okay, then how many times can 1 go into 2? We are saying 2 times. Okay, so basically if you have seen how I've been doing it, first of all I start dividing the whole of this number by the biggest place value, then it gives us 3. Then the remainder which remains, which is 102, I divide this remainder by the next place value, the next bigger place value from the biggest to the next bigger. Then we divide 25 by 107 by 25, which is here, and then I've gotten the answer 4, because 4 times remainder 7. Then this 7 we divide it by the next place value, which is 5. See, it goes 1 time and remainder 2. Then finally we divide the remainder 2 by this place value here, which goes 2 times. That's how I've gotten the answer. How do you know that your answer is correct? As you can see on my answers, there is no number which is bigger than 5, and there is no number which is equal to 5. All of them, they are less than 5. And here, after the calculation, the answer we have found is 0. That means your calculation has gone well. So therefore, we can say 482 is equal to 400. Therefore, we can say 482 is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2 base 5. Okay, so that is the value of 482 in base 5. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.